Hi everyone, I'm Nicole, also known as Continualtrends on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I'm just going to do a quick little thrift haul of things I bought yesterday. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I got a lot of shoes, so I guess I will start with like the clothing. The first item, I'm trying to find the tag. It is just a Target brand. It's their newer one. It's called A New Day. But I thought this was really cute. It is just a pea coat, but it's like plaid. It's a size extra small, and it has the detachable belt. It's kind of pilly. I will definitely give it a good sweater shape before I list it, but I thought it was really cute and perfect for like the fall season and going into winter. The next item is also a coat. I always go through the coats, especially this time of year. It's kind of like a shirt jacket. It's American Eagle, nothing super crazy. It's a size medium. And it is just kind of like a button front shirt jacket. Has two front pockets, kind of has like an oversized look to it. So I think it was really cute. I love the color. I love anything that's like kind of like a foresty green. I got another coat. I think this is the last of my clothes. To be honest, I've really been looking at shoes lately. I paid up for this, but it is a Calvin Klein jacket. It's a size extra large. It's a button front, zip down pea coat. It says it's water resistant and has 4-way stretch. The only thing is I just have to clean the belt a little bit, and that should be up pretty quickly. Like I said, I paid up for it, but I thought it was a really nice quality jacket, so I didn't really want to leave that behind. So on to the shoes. Got a lot of them. I guess I'll start off with these Vans Off the Wall high tops. I love Vans. I like the look of them. I like to wear them and I like to sell them. These are a men's 8 or a woman's 9.5. Good that they're not my size because I would definitely want to wear them a bit. They just need a little cleanup, but I think they're in rather good condition. The soles look very good and there's no holes or anything. Like just some dirt on the sides, which would be easy to clean up. The next shoes, I again paid up for these, kind of, not a whole lot, but more than I would normally pay on shoes. They're Michael Kors, Michael Kors. They're just kind of like some slide-on espadrilles. So grab those. They are size 7. This brand I've never heard of before, but I got because, well, I looked them up only because it has this logo on it. Whenever they have that, I always look them up, and you can just tell they're a good quality boot. The brand is called Via Spiga. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they're like a high, tall boot suede. It's kind of, I can't tell if it's black or navy. I think it's a navy. And they are a size 8. So they are super cute and pretty good condition, I would say. The soles look very good. So really happy to find those. Comps looks pretty good. Comps also look good on these. Next pair is another pair. Never heard of. I looked at the sole first, and I don't know, sometimes you can just tell by the sole of a shoe if it might be worth looking up. And the brand is called Bostonian. So it's Boston IAN. Don't know if you can see that. It says made in the USA. And so like seeing those two things here, maybe you can see it now. made me want to look them up. Comps are kind of all over the place, but it does look like they are an expensive shoe, and if you price them right, I think it's a good investment. Man-made insole, they are a size 9. They have this cool zipper detailing. I think they're super classy, like a work shoe, a businessy, like businessman would definitely wear these going out. I don't know, I think they're really, really classy looking, and they do look like brand new. So again, I've never sold that brand, but I thought it was worth the pickup. I got these just because they were a good price. Oh, would you look at that? They're my size. Of course they are. I have picked this brand up before. They do fairly well. I don't know about the sandals, but it's just DV, Dolce Vita. They look like pretty good condition. Like I said, they were a decent price, so I picked them up. I don't think I'll get a ton of money for them, but I think they should be a quick flip, which I love. We got a few more pairs. So I used to not pick these up, but I did once, and I sold them within a week for a pretty good profit. So happy that I found these. These ones are not as in great of condition as the other ones I sold, but they still should bring in some money. They are Skechers Shape Ups. They have like this yellowing, which I think I should be able to clean up, but other than that, there's nothing wrong with them. Like, obviously someone did wear these a few times, but I can't really tell how often. The yellowing could literally just be due to age, so I don't know. But they're Skechers Shape Ups, size 9, and they're black and white, so I think the colorway should do pretty well. And again, I'm just going to try to clean those up best I can, and hopefully those go quickly. Last few pairs. So I picked these up quite a few times. These are small. They're a US 6.5. They need a clean up, but they're Keen's hiking boots. I own a pair. They're really good quality, great to like go hiking in if you're an outdoorsy person, if you go camping, walk your dog. I mean, they're just good shoes. They're pretty good quality, that's why people love them, and they are waterproof, so I think I should do pretty well on those. My last find, again, I paid up for a few things. I didn't go when they were having a sale or anything. I'm starting my full-time job tomorrow, so I know I'm not going to be sourcing as much as I usually do, so when I went, I tried not to be as picky as I normally would, knowing that I'm not going to be going as often. These are Ariat boots. Super good quality. They just need a little cleaning up, but I think they're in pretty good condition. I feel like they're leather. They're US 5.5, so they are small. They're so nice though, such good quality. The soles like look like new. I love them, I really do. Super classy looking. All right, and that is everything. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, just kidding. I see one more thing I forgot. All right, so this is the last item. Forgot I had these because I got them and I put them off to the side because I wanted to look them up. I haven't yet, but I put them over in the corner because I was going to. But I'm very happy I found these. These are Nike. It says Air Max. Yeah, the Nike Air Max. They obviously were worn, but I think that they are really nice. I haven't looked up comps. They're 5.5 youth. I don't know what that equates to for women's. I think it's a size 7 because I'm a size 8 and I wear 6.5 in youth. so I'm going to look into that, but I'm pretty sure it is equivalent to a woman's size 7. So I'm excited about those. I paid up for them without looking at comps, but I just kind of had a gut feeling that they were nice, so hopefully I'm right on that. Alright, that is everything. Thank you all for watching my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and thanks for watching. Bye.